Good day, everyone. We are the group number 3 of Indus Lab, and today we are going to discuss the different applications wherein a 5 timer is involved.
Okay, so here we have two circuits. The first circuit is a simple transistor oscillator, whose oscillation frequency depends on the values of capacitors C1 and R2. And the skin resistance is between these two terminals. In theory, when a person lie, he extracts sweat in his body. It is a good example of a this is a good example of a lie detector. Second circuit is this is simple servo motor control. Mainly you can change the rotation of the servo motor from 0 to 180 or 180 to 0 using a potentiometer. So what this circuit really does is that it follows the rotation of the potentiometer. And so we're going to demonstrate this circuit to you. Okay, so this is our first circuit, the lie detector. So the main principle of this one is that it detects a wet surface in this thing. So to demonstrate to you, here it is. Yan. And then it stays silent when you replace it with a dry surface like this one. This is a dry tissue paper, and then so when you touch the input, it does nothing. Okay, so the second circuit is an application for servo motor control. Uh, it also uses a 555 timer, and so the potentiometer is the one that adjusts from 0 to 180 degrees. And then so to demonstrate this to you, I'm going to adjust the servo motor, the potentiometer, and then the servo motor will react to the input of the potentiometer from 0 to 180, and then all the way around to and back to 0 degrees. And thank you. Okay, so we have the third experiment, which is a flasher circuit. The operation of this circuit is actually a dark detector. Okay, so the operation of this circuit is that it detects the LDR detects darkness. It triggers the circuit, and then it it lets the LED glow. So we have an output here which is actually a LED. Okay. So after that, we modify the circuit. We change the output to a speaker and to a speaker, and we also modified the sensor such that the the sensitivity is very high, that it needs a high intensity of light um, to turn the circuit off or on. We're going to show you the modification circuit that we made. Here it is. Okay. So this circuit is composed still of an LDR, the 555 IC, and the changed output, which is the speaker. Okay, so this is the actual diagram of our modified circuit. Uh, this is the LDR and the potentiometer, and we changed the sensitivity of this circuit such that it reacts with a cell phone flashlight that keeps the circuit off.